Guys, it's your boy Wayne back with another video. Welcome back to Dime Media, of course, and today we got a little task. All right, so just a little thing that's been happening with the car. Check engine light is on, and I noticed this only happens when I don't let the car heat up all the way. The engine, I don't let the engine warm up all the way. And I try to drive and I go over 4,000 RPM. It starts to buck. It's not letting me go over 4,000 RPM. So I did the code. I did the scan. I got the scanner from Walmart. It's pretty cheap. It was like $25. Did that and check it out, and I'm gonna just put a code, on the screen, just let y'all see what it is. But right now, since I already know what it is, the code is for some acuter, something like that. But basically, it's telling me that It's telling me that I have a bad V-Tec Solenoid. So, lucky me, I actually got this on Amazon, shockingly, for a really good price. These go for like $200-300 if you get it like Honda or AutoZone. But yeah, I picked this up for a whopping $50, which is crazy. And it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna take it out of the bag and let you guys see it. But yeah, about to work on I'm gonna show you guys where it's located actually. All right, boom. Here goes the V-Tec Solenoid, brand new, never been used. Looks perfect. Gasket already in there. All right, so I don't know if you can see it, but it is right back here. There you go. That's it right here. This whole thing right here. It's hard to get back there. As you can see, there's no space. See right here? No space. So I'm gonna try to fight my way back all the way back here and try to get the 3 bolts that's holding it together. But first, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna disconnect these connectors. But as you can see, these 3 holes, just like that. That's how it's mounted onto the engine, to the back of the engine. So you could put this here, just to look at it for guidance. And then, of course, 10mm socket. That's what you're gonna need to pull the bolts. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling out the connectors. All right, that's the one right there. It's supposed to be another one. That's connected to the sensor. There we go. That's it right there. Alright, bet. So I can feel the bolts. Yep, feel the bolts right here. Alright, here we go. So apparently it looked like I had a leak. This gasket is definitely busted. Definitely busted. So yeah, this is definitely the issue. And apart from that, the solenoid itself looks pretty clean. It looks pretty clean to me. So I probably only needed a gasket, to be honest. I probably didn't need the whole thing, the whole solenoid, but luckily What I think I might do is, I'm not sure. I'm gonna see. I might just replace the gasket instead of replacing the whole thing, because knowing that this is factory, which this looks just about the same. Let me get it out of the bag. Comparing it in the bag and stuff. I know y'all like, get it out the bag, bro. But yeah, anyways, pretty much looks the same. There's not much difference. Well, a little bit of difference. You got these two things right here. The factory one doesn't have it. I think I'm just gonna replace the gasket. I don't know. Yep. I'm just gonna replace the gasket because it looks like it was just a leak. And the solenoid itself don't look like it has an issue. The sensor, it doesn't, it's not corroded or anything like that. It was hell trying to get it out. It definitely was a leak, as you can see. These bolts, filled with oil. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and swap the gasket, and hey, if I still have the problem, then I'll just do the whole solenoid and just call it a day. But this factory one definitely, it feels it just feels real. I don't know. You see the difference? It even sound different. Okay guys, I ended up putting back on the new one that I bought. I'm like, I bought it, so why not put it back in here? I mean, I put it back, but why not put the new one that I bought? So just got it on. As I said before, it's a pain getting it off, and it was definitely a pain getting it back on. All right, so I'm about to get in the car now, start it up, see if I still got the cold. Well, go for a drive, actually. Check engine light is still there. I'm gonna let the car warm up. I got all these welts on my hand from squeezing in them tight spaces. Look at it. It's crazy. Yep. All right, let's go. Okay. I'll just wait till these cars pass, and I'm going to attempt to hit V-Tec and see what happens. Now to conclude the video, here we go. This sounds fine. Nothing crazy. Clean, So I'm gonna show you guys. So I turned off the check engine light, so no more check engine light, as you can see. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive it later. I'm gonna let the car cool down, and like I said, when I just started having the problem, the issue, it happens usually when I try to drive the car over 4,000 RPM without letting it heat up all the way. So yeah, you see the gauge right here? Yeah, I don't let that heat up all the way to the middle. I usually start driving it like halfway to the middle, basically. But since it's been cold, it's been happening. Sorry about that. But it's been happening more frequently now with the VSA light come on, and that little upside down, well, no, it's a regular triangle, and the abbreviation of VSA. So yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, put something in the comment, if you think I didn't do it right, or any suggestions. But or correct me on anything that I said, and I wasn't correct, basically. Yeah. That's it. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, subscribe. Again, visit our Instagram page. It should be on the screen somewhere or in the description to see, updates or more frequent updates on our cars, the FRS, Javane Red SI Civic, and my Civic. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace.